Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to Nev's Garage. Now if this is your first time joining us, please hit that subscribe button and also toggle on that little bell. That way you'll be notified when the next video comes out. Don't get carried away with that now though, still got to watch this episode. Today we're going to be talking about bathroom vanities, right? Now over the years they get a bit filthy, right? Get a bit of crud and grime on them, and the handles can get a bit rusty, right? Especially if they're not stainless steel, if they're just steel chrome coated handles, they rust underneath, chrome peels off, is what's happened to these bad boys. They don't look very good anymore. Thankfully though, they're just replaceable handles. 9 times out of 10, they're nothing special, right? So what we're going to do is we're going to head on down to our local hardware store, going to get some new ones, and we're going to slap them on. Righto, so let's get into it. Alright guys, so here we go. Got some brand new handles. Now these are all stainless steel, so we're not going to run into this same problem again, right? These are going to be good for life, okay? So all I did before I went was just measure them, the hole centers. Just got some new ones to match, off the shelf, nothing bespoke. It was really simple, okay? So let's just slap them on. Alright, so really what we need to do now is just rip the old ones off, okay? Just 2 Phillips screws inside the drawers. Right, that's the old one off. Throw him over a rainbow. Grab one of our nice new handles. Now I reckon we can even reuse the old screws. We're just going to check they're the same thread. They are, happy days. So let's just smash them straight in to these handles. Done. Let's do the rest of them. All right, there we have it. All the new handles are on and look schmick. Now, these drawers slide about as smooth as Britain's exit from the European Union. So I reckon the misso will be pretty happy if we lube them up a bit, right? So get a bit of Lennox. What we're going to do is just pop the drawers out one at a time, lube up the little roller on the slide and also on the back of the drawer, like this. Pop them back in. That's better than hot nut Lex right there. I'm going to do that to all of them. Lovely. Alright guys, well there we go. Got our nice new Stano handles fitted. Drawer runners all lubed up. Wifey's not going to null herself. So I guess that's it for this episode. Rightio. Thank you for tuning in. As always, thank you for liking and sharing. And also, please jump on our Instagram @GossaMedia. Like and follow us there. And until next time, dudes, catch ya.